Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. All my fans, my friends, thank you so much for your response and everything. I'm listening to you guys, man. And if you have any question, please leave it down there and I'll get back to you. I want to say thank you for the return fans. Thank you so much. Today I'm going to help you to deposit into OTCP. But first, I'm not your financial advisor. Disclaimer, please. I'm not your financial advisor. What I do here is to do me. You can do you. Do your own research before you deposit or do anything you want to do into this platform, please. And with this, I want to say we can continue. How to deposit into OTCPS. Yeah. So, but first, I want to say something. I'm loving this platform. Is mind blowing. It's crazy here, man. I'm making some cool money, small money, and I want to say, please, take risks. That's what I can say. Just take risks sometimes, and it pays off, man. It pays off. So let's go. Today I'll leave you with this. I want to say, I will make money this year, and I'll be a millionaire this year. You see that thing? So let's move on. To deposit, you go to the mine. And after I go to the mine, you go to recharge. 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 Yeah. So after recharge, you see this TRC. TRC 20. TRC 20. TRC 20. You copy this TRC from here. You copy it. So when you copy, you go to Binance. I know most of you don't know Binance, so I'll be helping you with Binance soon. I'll be making a video about it. So how to register and buy some crypto and everything here on Binance for you. So when you go to Binance, maybe you have not purchased any TRC20 or Tron. You have not purchased any of them. So you go to P2P. 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 You go to P2P. I'm repeating it because I want you guys to understand. Yes. So when you go to P2P, if you are in Ghana, you buy from this guy, send it at 7 CD 73 pesos. You can use mobile money to make that payment if you are in Ghana. And you have another one here. The same thing. You can go down and you can see more of that. So when you purchase any of this USDT or if you purchase of any USDT here, then you come to your wallet. That is here. You come to your wallet. You get it. So when you come to your wallet, then you have USDT here. You click on that one. You don't click. Sorry. You come to withdraw at the top. So when you come to withdraw at the top, you see your USDT here and you tap on it. Send via crypto network. Then the TRC 20 you copied here. This address you copied here. This address you copied here. You send it to here. Then you look for TRC 20. That is this one. The network channel. You look for this one. TRC 20. This. So you click on that one. Then you confirm. Then today maybe you have enough money, you want to put $100. You have to add $1 to it because they will take a fee of $1. You get it? They'll take a fee of $1 and just press your withdrawal. When you press your withdrawal and you make all your confirmation of your number and everything through Binance, you are going to receive the money here. You are going to receive the money at your recharge. You are going to receive the money here. And when you receive the money, you can start your your trading. Do you get it? You can start your trading. When you get the money, you can start your trading by immediate completion for others, and you can be making money right here. Since I'm having less, so you can't make the trade. So this is how you deposit into OTCP. Very simple and very quickly. I want to say thank you very much for watching my video, and if you want to join my team, please, I have my prescription and everything, my link down there. You can go and click, and if you have any question, I'll have my WhatsApp number and my Telegram group there. You can click on it and join my team. I will help you. I will really help you to make some cool money. And I want to urge all Ghanaians to run to this OTCP quickly, because there's enough money for everyone. Buy low and sell high. I want to say thank you very much for watching my video again. Have a nice day, and happy Mother's Day to all my moms. I know there are a lot of them. And happy Mother's Day to all my small girlfriends too. Happy Mother's Day to everyone. Bye.